Welcome to Tamford Language School. Today we are going to talk about writing task 1. Basically there are 6 types of IELTS writing task 1 academic: line graph, bar chart, pie chart, table chart, map and process. First of all, we will talk about line graph. This is how it's look like. It contains information in the linear form. Generally, one or more lines are drawn in XY plane, where x-axis measures the time period and y-axis denotes the commodity, things or subjects which need to be elaborated. Next, we will look at bar chart. There are two kinds of bar chart, vertical and horizontal. Bar graphs or bar charts are used in similar way to line graphs. These also have two axes and data is shown in the form of bars and arranged horizontally or vertically. Next, what is pie chart? In these graphs, the total amount of data is 100% and this is categorized among different types of data and various proportions of data are assigned in a logical way. It is shown in circle distributed in given forms of data. What is process chart? In this kind of task, several small pictures are illustrated with steps for manufacturing of a particular thing. We need to frame our writing structure step by step. Mostly processes must be written in passive forms. Further, we will discuss table chart. Generally, data is given in tabular form. In other words, this is merely an alternative form of representing or classifying data. The structures of comparison and contrast are used similarly to describing charts. Lastly, we will talk about maps. It contains two or more pictures of a location, place or a building that how they look before and after the renovation, construction and other activities. These maps show generally four kinds of time travels: past to past, past to present, past and future projection, present and future projection. What things you should follow in your task? Choose the most prominent changes factors from the graph. Write appropriately and in a formal way. Use variety of grammatical sentence formats to show your advanced level of English. Use adequate range of vocabulary. Effectively arrange paragraphs for showing different information of graph. What things may decrease your band score? Do not waste your words for explaining changes or factors which are less important. Do not repeat sentence or vocabulary. Do not make grammatical or spell errors. Do not spend much time on task 1 in the exam, as task 2 has more weightage as compared to task 1. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram.